mabagal daw yung action din ng Ombudsman kay dating House Speaker Martin Romualdez na in fact yun daw yung unang in-announce na kakasuhan ng plunder. And meron bang update dito, sir? May movement ba sa case na build up or ipa-file kay Congressman Martin?
Actually, yun po nga talaga ang gusto naming ipaliwanag, no? Na this whole rally today comes from the context na sinasabi nila baka ay kumbaga we are pinpointing or we are targeting certain people only. Hindi po totoo yan. Dahil yung kaso po ni former Speaker Martin Romualdez is getting stronger by the day. And the reason why we accepted si former Secretary Manny Bonoan into as a state witness is precisely because yung kanyang intention na to cooperate with us is for that case specifically. So yung budgetary process po, no, yung budget po ng DPWH, yung budget ni former Secretary Manny Bonoan, yun po ang kinalikot na budget ng House leadership at that time. So, ang corruption ho kasi, hindi mo yan pwedeng i-penetrate galing sa labas. Kailangan, meron ka talagang insider sa loob. It was a tough decision for the office to arrive at that, na i-accept namin si former Secretary Manny Bonoan as a state witness. Mahirap pong decision. And there was a lot of considerations that had to go into that decision. Isa na doon yung age, illnesses, and all of that. Kung na-convict si former Secretary Manny Bonoan for 40 years, sa tingin niyo po ba he will last until 120 years old sa loob ng kulungan? That was one consideration. Pangalawa po, itong batas natin that will afford the Ombudsman plenary powers to afford immunity to somebody that is not meant to protect the guilty, but to reward the cooperation of somebody who knows a lot. Kaya ho namin ginamit yan. And between the two, no, na you have somebody who was charged already with plunder, and you have another case which could change the history of the Philippines because we are trying to exact accountability on one of the biggest heists on our budget. We would rather go for the bigger case than have him rot in jail for how many years? Dahil meron talaga siyang maibubuga. Dahil he was in the room. Siya mismo ang nandun, siya mismo ang kumakausap sa mga congressman, siya mismo ang kumakausap sa mga cabinet secretary. And that is a unique position that he was in. And if he is willing to cooperate, we are willing to see also what he has to say para mapalakas po ang ating kaso laban kay former House Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Sir.